Hey, this is Art, and I just wanted to record this quick video for you to wish you happy Easter. Now, I hope you are safe, locked away at home, so no massive social gatherings, no family. I'm going to be chilling with my wife and my daughter today, so sometimes it's good to take a day or two away from work to actually refocus, focus on the family a little bit, obviously, but just come up with new goals. And I just set up a brand new goal. I know 2020 sucks up until this point, but it doesn't mean that it cannot be the best year ever from this point on, right? So I have a brand new goal. I want to buy a supercar, so that's my goal for maybe this year and next year, and I hope you have some pretty exciting goals too. Now remember, you don't need to have huge online goals like this. My first goal was to actually make an extra $600 per month online. Okay, so that's how I got started back in 2012. So I don't know what your goal is, I don't know where in your journey you are right now, but set up these goals no matter how small, and then just keep on climbing. Once you're going to be hitting these goals, you're going to be making them bigger and bigger, and you're going to be making more and more money and just being more and more successful online. Okay, so that's what I'm wishing to you. Keep on hitting these goals. Have a happy Easter and a safe holiday. And before I go, let me just mention that in the description of this video I have a link to my review of Surge, which is the world's first TikTok traffic software. Okay, so it generates traffic from TikTok. This is absolutely the first kind of software like this in the world. If you want to start generating traffic for your affiliate offers, CPA offers, for your e-com store, for anything that you want to sell online, it's an amazing deal. So check it out right now. It's selling like hotcakes, so a lot of people will be jumping on it, and you want to be one of the first ones. Okay, so that's just a side point. Again, enjoy your holidays and make sure to set up these big income goals for from this point on forwards in 2020. Okay, so guys, enjoy. I'm signing out, and I will talk to you very shortly. Ciao.